Dmaic is a structured five-step problem-solving procedure. The defining stage. During the defining phase, the objective is to find the problem within the organization's process. In our case, at the CSL Plasma Center, there might be an issue with the medical and physical screening process. So we will be asking, will our project to create a solution for the screening process be worth it? The measuring stage. The measuring phase will give team members an idea of the process of the medical and screening stage, which usually can take 10 to 20 minutes, as if we are not able to measure it, we will not be able to improve the process. The process would be getting feedback from the patients and employees, then benchmark with competitors, while understanding the cost, waste, quality, and timeliness of the project. Analyze stage. The analyzing phase is verifying the root causes of the issues, which could be that maybe one of the patients might fail one of the screenings. And during this phase, we are only finding what is causing patients to fail, which could be from the lack of knowledge. The main part will be reviewing the data collected from the measuring stage, like using the takt time to help calculate the process. Alright, the improve stage. The improving phase is generating potential solutions for the root causes, which can be done by implementing these solutions, which would be having a testing period of education tools such as pamphlets or a webpage, which would help inform the patient that if certain criteria are not met, then donation of that blood during that day cannot proceed any further, which will help reduce the amount of patients being denied. The control stage. The control phase will be vital as it will evaluate the process as a whole, and if there needs to be any other changes, or if it needs to be restarted completely over and start from fresh. If the solution is successful and improvement of less denied patients are being measured, then standardizing this model will be implemented permanently.